One of my favorite things about being a curriculum designer and just supporting teachers from all over is seeing our resources being used in classrooms all over the world. This photo comes straight from South Africa, where these students in Yvonne's class love to use just the toothy faces with that enlarged space for the teeth, and then that gives the kids more options for teeth design. We really appreciate this thoughtful feedback left by Devin the other day in our TPT store. Another thing I especially love about the thought of using Digital Toothy is that they are great for those warm-up questions. They are great for sparking those number talk conversations. And then you'll also see in this photo, another idea I love is when using the Digital Toothy, if you want the students to be turning in something, you can use those accountability sheets, those recording sheets, to turn in and check for understanding. So this idea comes from Kelly, and what she does is she takes her Digital Toothy sets and she displays them on the smartboard or the Promethean board, and then her students will answer the questions on their whiteboard, and then she chooses one student to go up and answer the question there, and that's the whole class's opportunity to check to see if they had the correct answer on their whiteboard.